Hello everyone. Just today I am going to show you how to create lock key. So first of all, you know how to log in with Tinkercad. Everyone know this is a when we log with Tinkercad. This is the first screen you will get in front of you. So you just click on create new design. Okay, like this I have created many designs here, but today we will see the how to create this key. Okay, so when you click on new create new design, you will get the new window in front of you. Okay, so like this first screen will appear in front of you. It is the work plane. Now which things we require to create our lock key, like which I have shown you previously. So first of all, you have to add this cylinder shape width. Then you have to increase the height of that cylinder as per your requirement, how your key stand. Then you have to change the dimension of your, like this. I will show you dimension of this. Small dimension 4 by 4 you can take like this. Now you will see here, this is a cylinder height and dimension I have set here. Dimension is 4 by 4 and height is how many? 72, but you can take up to 70. Okay, this is done. Now next point, you have to add box first. Yes, now done. Now you have to just adjust the size of that box. Suppose you want to create key, I will take the height of this box 30. How many? 30. Yes, the dimension you can mention as per your requirement, like this. The backside also you can increase from by this square, means it will be handle, white handle and black handle. Already we learned like this. See, now you have to set here like key, check it, that diagram, that shape I have get closer to this, like this. See, now you can see here. Yes, now next point, you have to make the hole in this box. Again you can take this box as a whole. Now you have to set this box like this. Okay, check it, I'm showing you. Okay, now you have to adjust it and you have to take the closer up to this, like this. I will show you about this. See, you are getting something. Yes, now you have to spread here and take upside by this. See here, how many? Now you will see the hole in between, like a key. Check. Okay, now you have to make it groove. So you can press Ctrl A with the help of keyboard. Now all the parts selected. Now here you will get the group option. Click on that. Once you click, first diagram, first design you will see here. Now it will make a like a key. Getting this? Now if you want to create, see here, now I want to create a key handle like a regular key, that is circle, or maybe different shapes are there. So I will show you. For that you have to take the again cylinder, make it small size like this, and you have to take same things. Okay, done. Now make it duplicate. You have to use duplicate option here, or you can use Ctrl D for making duplicate it. make it duplicate like this. Okay, same, put it properly. Again, one cylinder you have to make duplicate, and you have to make like this design. Okay, I hope you understood about this, how to do this. Now again you have to take this key here. Now I want to show you about the key. You can move with the help of this different angle like this. If you want to show downside, you will use this rotation angle. See, like this. If you want to show downside, I will show you now. You will get the details about this. When you move your work plane, now you will see this type. Okay, like this. You can move this work plane. You can easily understand about this. Make it down properly like a horizontal shape of this key. Okay, check it. Now you can move downside also. See here. Now you can turn like this. You can see downside of that key. How key will be. See here with this icon. You can turn. Now see here. Okay, I hope you understood about this very well. Now you can put downside like this, means it will be easy to handle you as a key. You can put it off properly. Now check it. Getting this, everyone? Okay. Now you can set this properly on this key like this. You can make it small as per our key requirement. Now just put here. You will get these details about this. You can downside. You fit here. You can duplicate these same things. You can make it duplicate. Check it. I have made. Again, you can duplicate it. Same here with the help of these 4 arrow keys. You can adjust it here. Okay. Now I will delete this 2 cylindrical shape. You can take down properly. Now you will see the downside properly. It is working or not. See, now you will get the proper shape. Okay, now check it. First of all, you have to see. Now it will be check. Okay, now again, if you want to make it duplicate, you can put here. See on this. Like this, you can take off. See here. Now delete it. Now check. Now here something will be wrong, getting different. Now you can put downside. You can pull this like this. See here. I can show you about this. Okay. Getting this. Now everything is clear. Now downside you can push upside. You will get the design like this. Now you have to click on home button, select all, and just group it. Done. Now we will see the key off. Okay, like this you can create different types of keys, ungroup it. See here. Getting this. Yes. Now you can select all, group it. it is hiding upside, so you can use another here. If you want to insert that, you can move here and you can paste on this. Once again, you will get the details. See here, like this. You can set different types of design. Okay, this is the things. I hope everyone got this concept regarding how to create key.